So if you can see the bird tracks, I don't know what kind of bird that is, but next to the shoes you can get an idea of the size of those birds that we're looking at. Here's some more good ones. Beautiful, look. I don't know if that's the pelicans or someone else, but pretty big, I think. Good morning, Leonard. Very good, sir. How are you?
Monday.
Indeed, thank you.
Monday.
I was wondering.
Back to work. You working today?
I am. Hey, look at the bird tracks. I hadn't really looked or seen them like this. And are those pelicans or what? Look.
If I had to take a guess, I'd say the night heron.
Ah, and they're that big.
Oh yeah, he stands about this high.
So he'd need big feet like that.
He looks darker at night, but he's not all that really.
Yeah.
Got a beautiful,
Really?
Beautiful feet.
Because I've only seen them at night.
Very colorful along the sides.
And very graceful.
And a heavy feet.
Really?
Well, they crack those whelk shells that the hermit crabs.
Ah. I'll have to look at them more closely. And
you gotta catch them at night, really. I see them sometimes walking the beach up by the tank, going after the land crabs, or on the road.
I've seen them on the road near the shower.
Yeah, and in the morning sometimes you see all the whelk shells and the remains
Ah.
of the hermit crabs.
Excellent. Thank you. We'll have a wonderful day.
They do well eating here.
Yeah, this is a good healthy place. They're so graceful. They're beautiful.